Masaya ako na ginilo ng girlfriend ko yung kwarto ko. Graduation pictorial kahapon ng girlfriend ko. And dito siya sa bahay namin nag-ayos. I'm usually a pretty neat guy and I always make sure my room is tidy. Pero kahapon mukhang binagyo dito. She couldn't decide what to wear and I think she ended up changing her clothes at least 5 times. May makeup sa kama, curler sa sahig, alahas sa mesa, and she was also blasting Charlie XCX. Na overstimulate ako. Ang daming nangyayari, kulang na lang may kumanta sa salamat by the door. When it was 2 o'clock yun, sinisigawan niya na ako na maligo na dahil ayaw niyang maligo. Halatang mainit na yung ulo niya, kaya pumasok na ako agad sa CR. Di na ako under the saya, promise. At habang nasa ilalim ako ng shower, hindi ko mapigilang mapangiti. Naisip ko kami a few years from now in our own place. Same chaos, same clutter, clothes on the floor, makeup everywhere, music blaring, and her yelling at me to hurry up. And in that moment, I just knew that I wouldn't want life any other way. She the smartest, fiercest woman I know. Magna cum laude lang naman siya. And I know this is just the beginning for her. In a few months, lilipad na siya papuntang Houston para sa masters niya. Tinutukso ako ng mga pamilya at kaibigan namin. Hindi ko raw ba siya mamimiss o baka raw ipapalit niya ako sa kanya. Nasaan pa ba ang makakahanap ng 5'7" engineering student na delayed at mahilig gumamit ng tote bag? Joke! Marami sa UP. Joke! Sobrang mag-miss ko siya. Sa totoo lang. But I know that the world deserves to witness their brilliance. Masaya ako kasi she's chasing her dreams. And I get to love her through it. I know that the next few years won't be easy. There will be distance and time difference. But I also know that she is the worth every pound of longing. Because one day, I know we'll find ourselves back in the same room. We'll be older, more accomplished, and still in love. And maybe the room will still be a mess. Maybe she'll still be blasting Chapel wrong. Maybe she'll still be yelling at me to hurry up. And me, I still be smiling in the shower, thankful that somehow in this lifetime I got to be hers. Congratulations, Lara. And ATA, thank you so much to everyone kind words. Binasa ko lahat at kinilig ako. I'll be showing this post to my girlfriends later tonight.